when my hand goes up, come on.
Hi, my name is Mike Davis and this is Mackenzie. We are here to fry this egg using this Norland pan with no oil. Thank you.
So my name is Abija Abia and I'm here with my kitchen crew, Mark David and the beautiful Mackenzie. And today we want to show you how to use the Norland pan to fry. In this case, we want to fry these eggs without using oil at all. All right, so we'll start by breaking the eggs. So Mark David, how many eggs do we do? 6 eggs. So Mark David wants to fry this egg for the entire video community. So Mark David, let's just break a few eggs. So let's start. Mark David, break the eggs. All right, break into the bowl. Break it into the bowl. Good. So this is my kitchen assistant. This is Chef Mark David. So watch out for this guy online. He'll be doing great things. Thank you. Break this one. Oh, you want to break, baby girl? Don't worry, you're gonna break. So let's just break that. All right. Thank you. That's the second one. Mark, let's just do like 3 for a start. All right. Is that okay? Okay. So great. So we're breaking the eggs, but we're going to season the eggs. So when you're doing this, when you're frying this, it's not just throwing eggs into the pan. You can actually season it with your pepper, with your. So we have our onion, we have our pepper, we have Maggi. We're actually going to season the egg. So I'll give it. All right. So let's all right, open the Maggi. All right. So don't worry about that. Let's do so you can clean your hand. All right. So all right. Sorry, I have to clean the hands because this is my celebrity chef. He doesn't like things staining his hands. Okay. So let's go. Let's open the Maggi so we can season. Oh, baby girl wants to help us. Okay, she's helping us open the Maggi. So if you start, but before you start, just hold on, give me a minute. We're going to cut the egg, the pepper. Don't worry. Let's do this. Okay, so we can see everybody is a community work. So Mackenzie is helping us with the Maggi. We're doing this together, and then we're getting the pepper ready before we do some spicy. Yeah, just break it in, girl. Break it in. All right, nice one. All right. Okay, Madam, just a minute. Don't worry, we'll put that. Just hold on, guys. Don't worry. And with my crew, my crew is very gingery. They have ginger. Okay, don't worry. One Maggi is enough, baby girl. All right, thank you. All right, so let's cut the egg. Madam, just hold on, like baby. If you're like me, I like fresh vegetables in my mix, so we're just going to have this fresh pepper as part of our mix. All right, so that's it. So we have the pepper. All right, so Mark David, let's have that. All right, it's looking beautiful. Baby girl, don't touch the pepper. All right, so let's have the onion. All right, so I'll just do this. All right, okay, so let's have the onion. Okay, so you can dice, you can ring, anyhow you like your onions. Okay, Mark David, let's add this. Okay, so this is just to show you that you can add anything you want to add to your egg. So, Mark David, so why not add the king and the queen? By king and queen, we mean you want to add a little of your dry pepper. All right, okay, yes, that's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's okay. So that we added a little of the dry pepper. Okay, that's okay. So add a little salt. Okay, so let's just add a little salt. Okay, that's okay. Thank you. All right, so stir. Okay, so yeah. So we have that stirred. Okay, so we are going to go to the cooker, and as you can see, this is the cover of the pan. The Norland pan comes with this beautiful glass cover with a handle. Okay. But let's show you this. So there's no oil. You can see there's no single oil in this pan. David, don't worry, I'm not breaking any more eggs for now. So there's no oil in the pan. We're going to go to the cooker and put this, heat it up for a while, and then Mark David is going to help us pour the egg. So let's go over there. Mark David, let's go with the mix. Okay, so guys, all right, so just heat it up. Just hold on, just keep it here. Thank you. So we'll just heat the pan up a bit. Okay, just careful. No, it's okay. Okay, so let's allow it get heated up a bit, and then we'll pour in the egg. All right, and then we'll also just stir a little, McDavid. Thank you. Okay, so we'll just allow the pan to get heated up a bit. Okay, and then we'll be ready to pour in the mix. Okay, and David, I think we can pour in some. So let me have that. Okay, so we'll just pour in the egg. And then just pour. Want our egg to be thick. All right, so just pour in
some.
Okay, so we'll allow it to steam a bit before we would use this spatula to turn. So please, as you can see, we're not using a plastic or rubber spatula. This is a wooden one, something that doesn't melt into the food. So as you can see, there was no oil added. You can see the vegetables are bright and beautiful. All right, they are smiling at us. So we'll just let it heat for a while, and then we'll be good to turn. All right, so it's heating up. When we turn, you'll see that this doesn't stick. It's a non-stick pan, and it's not just because it's a non-stick pan that fries without oil. It's actually the technology of Norland Industrial Group that makes this fry without the use of oil. So it's heating up, and as you can see, I can lift it, but let me just let it heat up a bit. I can lift it without it getting burnt. Okay, so I just want to take it slow and steady. I don't want it I want it to cook well, so you can see. So let's just lift this and see. So you can see. That's why it's good to use a wooden spatula, so nothing melts inside. Okay, so that's it. So let's flip it. Oh, sorry, my spatula is not wide enough. Okay, so you can see. Sorry, let's flip this. All right. Okay, so at least you can see we flipped that. No, don't add yet. So you can still see our vegetables. All right. So you see, I can remove this. It doesn't stick. So this helps to show you that nothing sticks to the pan. It won't get burnt. So you can see that clean. All right. So it's fine without any oil. We didn't add one single drop of oil. Okay. So this is the wonder of the Norland Magic Pan. And this is what we encourage everybody to use at home. This helps take care of cardiovascular issues because you're not going to have all the cholesterol issues, all right, with eating all of the things they ask you not to eat. A lot of people can't eat chicken anymore. You can't eat egg anymore. All the fries, you can't eat them anymore because the doctor says stay off this because of cholesterol. But with this, you don't need to add any other oil, or you don't need to add anything oil to your food. All right, so this helps you reduce the cost of oil, and it also helps you reduce your cholesterol levels. So it helps you eat healthy, helps you eat safe. So you can see our vegetables are smiling at us. All right, so if you want it to be brown, you just leave it for a bit, or you can increase the fire a little bit like baby Mackenzie just did for us. So you allow it to be as brown as you want. All right, so if you're someone that likes it like this, you can take it down, but if not, so you can see now, I can lift, I can flip. All right, isn't this beautiful? Okay, so that's it. Now we're going to have a taste of this egg. So if you're watching us online, sorry you're missing out on the final part of this video, because we're actually going to taste this egg and see how it tastes, and I'm very sure Mackenzie would love it. Mackenzie, would you like to taste the egg? Would you like to taste the egg? Okay, so I would like to take this down at this point. I'll fry some more. Okay, so just so we'll have a taste of the egg fried with the Norland pan. All right, so let me put this here. Okay, and then let me have this here. Beautiful. All right, so that's it. We have our egg fried, and we're going to take this to the table while we're going to have the opportunity to have a taste of this egg. So Mackenzie, so let's, okay, beautiful, thank you. Okay, so that's Mark Davis doing his thing. Beautiful, that's hot and spicy. Okay, so who's going to go first?
Me.
Who wants to taste it first?
Me.
All right, Mackenzie, have a bite. Pick one and have a bite. Beautiful. Have a bite. Mark David, enough of the cutting. It's time to eat. All right, so all having a taste of the Norland egg fried without any oil. So guys, Mark David, that looks like it tastes heavenly, right? Okay, so while enjoying this egg, so how does it taste, Mark David?
Very spicy. Salty.
Okay, don't worry, my child doesn't like talk plenty. So it is very spicy. You can feel the salt, and he believes it's nutritious. Mama, how is it tasting? What's it taste like? Do you like the egg? Does it taste nice? You love it? Mama, eat the egg. All right, guys. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And in the next installment, we're going to show you how to do pancakes. We're going to show you how to fry fish. We're going to show you how to fry your turkey, your chicken, all with the magic of the Norland frying pan. All right. So if you want to have yours, please DM the person who showed you this video, and you have one in a jiffy. All right. So from me and my crew, thank you, and have a great time. Bye. Mark David, Mackenzie, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss, blow a kiss. Egg don't chop, egg don't forget. Alright, so my chef is here. Let's say goodbye. Alright, to the guys on the set. Don't worry, just come say goodbye. Alright.
Goodbye.
Alright, so that's it from my crew. Thank you. See you on the next installment.